G'day everyone, Mitch here again, and welcome back to your favourite Model T Ford channel. Diverting away from Model Ts just for a little while with another unboxing video. So this arrived in the mail today, and it's something I've been looking forward to having it arrive. So let's take a look at what's inside. So let's see, what's the best way to open this? Okay, I've got a nice sharp knife here to get this box open. That's that end. And yep, do this end I think. Okay. I think what might be best is to cut along the length of this. Alright, so as I say, this is something that I've been waiting for it to arrive, I should say, for a while now. Pop that on the floor. Now, before I go any further, I will say as much as that this is not a video that is endorsed by any particular brand or anything like that. This is just something that I wanted to get for myself, and I just happen to like the look of these particular items. And so it's come from Ariat, which, if you are not aware who Ariat are, they produce all sorts of apparel items, clothing, footwear, that sort of thing, typically in Western styling. So we'll just put that up the right way and round the right way, and we'll see what's inside. Oh, what have we got here? We've got, yep, a shipping label and what looks like a, oh, did you know we offer 30-day returns or exchanges? Fair enough. That's okay. All right, so let's see what's in the box. Some packing cardboard here, and what I actually ordered, very nice, are some really nice Western boots. Now, I did actually already have a pair of Western boots, but unfortunately they turned out to be too big for me. Not Ariat ones, but a different brand. No, these ones, I only ordered these last week, and they've arrived very quickly. And I've got to say, I'm pretty impressed actually. The quality of them is very good. Now, here's a little tip: when you buy new boots or shoes, and a number of times I've done this and come unstuck, take the stuffing out of them before you try putting them on, otherwise you get into a bit of a pickle. Alrighty, so there's one. And if my mum was up here now, she'd be saying, "Ah, don't put boots and shoes on the table. Bad luck." Well, these are brand new and they're not dirty, so it doesn't matter. Alrighty, and here's the other one. Just get the box out of the way. Okay. So, there we are. A pair of brand new Western Ariat boots, and I've got to say I'm very impressed with them and looking forward to wearing them. Actually, I'll pop a picture at the end of this video of what I look like in them. So there we go. So let's take that one out, and we've got this little card here that explains how the inner sole, I don't know if that comes up on the camera, explains how the inner soles are made, and what the tread is made from, and so forth, and the fact that these are very much a quality item. So there we go. So a pair of Ariat Western boots. Very nice. Alrighty, well, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. I did say it was only going to be, I think I said it was going to be a short one. And as you see, a little bit off topic from my usual Model T videos, but I figured, well, I haven't put up a video for a couple of months, so I thought I'd better do something for you guys. And, well, this is it. Alrighty, now, next video, I will be resuming normal service, and we will be doing another Model T video. You might recall one of my previous Model T videos, I bought a new set, and actually I think I did an unboxing video on that. A new set of wooden coils for the Model T, so I will do a video of putting those in, if I haven't already. Don't think I have. Pretty sure I haven't. Anyway, there will be a video about that anyway. Yeah, so as I say, that wraps it up for this video. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for us, and give us a like and thumbs up. And yeah, leave a comment if you've got any questions you want to ask or anything like that. And well, yeah, as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.